guys? Today we're playing Animal Company.
What do you mean there's no loot? Where's no loot?
Well, do I have long arms? Or they just changed? Bruh. How?
Doc, can you die? I got.
Through plunger. No. I have long
Wherever that
arms.
angle
Why?
is going to go bang with a grenade.
How do I not have that much? Go to a chicken.
You're welcome for sacrificing yourself. So you're welcome.
Everybody go to a chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
What chicken?
Well, I've seen
the
that.
squid thing. Headman.
Why my hand so small, even though
Is
I'm
my
a
loot
gorilla?
still after going bang with a grenade with the anglefish?
Well, did you know this is actually Gorilla Tag, but we're just realistic gorillas?
Yeah, but
I'm running. You cook so cayenne.
I'm in.
Are you at the parkour area?
No, but I'm coming up.
I found somebody's bag at the chicken area.
Right, I'm coming.
It had nothing in there. Dancing.
Doc, where are you? Come
I have no weapons at the chicken.
with low light, but the anglefish is next to me. Huh? You saw me?
Wait.
I'm not safe. Bro, I'm at the boy. Please defeat the anglerfish in the thing like that. I'm afraid. I have music though, I'm not afraid anymore. It's where the sun green eyes.
Yeah, where you're pretty much slide.
Why has this game had an update?
Right next to me, what do I do? Okay, I just have a boombox. Does
I
that
think
count
there's
as
a
light?
mod where you can get long arms. Jeez.
So once you get in that tunnel, go through the other little tunnel and then go to the other parkour area.
I'm coming. I'm trying not to die in this one. Remember, I can't see.
Blue, where are you?
I'm at red light, green light.
No! No!
No, this
When
is
he
I
gives
died.
me back,
your
when he gives me back
why? Oh, I don't like that.
Black, I died.
Come on. Guys, wait for me. I want to come.
Black, I just died.
Hey, Purple, look at me.
Hey, Blue.
Black?
Who's that sauce?
I'm here.
Who's that sauce?
I'll try.
Why have they had an update, or has there been an update?
There has been an update. Right, well,
Everybody go to sewers. Everybody go to sewers. I repeat, everybody goes to sewers. Getting bound my fault, gathering on my love.
was in the Punch Monkey Cave. I'm coming back.
Keep on my blow, gathering on my love. Keep on my blow, gathering on my love. Keep on my blow, gathering on my love. Keep on my blow.
Black, I'm Tommy. Drop down. I just got past.
Oh, somebody help me.
Right, Black, I am at top.
Bro,
I think it's a step.
hey bro. Hey, wait. This is a new update. I don't know my way around. This is a new update. I don't know my new way around. Keep on, on, keep on. I had to fart.